Hi, my name is Akash Mukundra Ugle. Today we are discuss about the ICSRs and which dictionary used in the ICSR tools. The first we discuss about the what is meant by ICSR. ICSR means individual case safety reports. Is a safety service document. In individual case safety document, information available to required for the report of adverse events. This is the ICSRs. Then which dictionaries or which tools used in the ICSR? The first is the MEDRA. Second is a WHO drug dictionary, WHO ARTS or COARTS. The first we are discuss about the MEDRA. The first, what is meant by MEDRA? MEDRA is a medical dictionary of regulatory agencies. MEDRA medical dictionary of regulatory agencies is a clinically validated international medicine terminology. It's MEDRA it used by the regulatory agencies and regulate the pharmaceutical companies during the regulatory process. All pharmaceutical companies use the MEDRAs or regulatory agencies for during the regulatory process of post-marketing and pre-marketing activities, evaluations, management of management. MEDRA is a dictionary. It is used for the code of adverse events. MEDRA is written in a two language. First is a Japanese or English. MEDRA is a updated or edited or recovery in two times in a year. The major update fill in the March in every years. Second is minor updates or minors update fill in the dictionary in September in every years. This is the all about the MEDRA. MEDRA is a dictionary for use for the adverse events. Second is a WHO ARTS. What is meant by WHO ARTS or WHO drug dictionary? WHO drug dictionary is a dictionary of international classification of medicines. In WHO drug dictionary, in which the all classifications of drug involves it. WHO drug dictionary created by the WHO program services and it's managed or maintained by the Uppsala Monitoring Center. WHO drug dictionary is used for the regulatory agencies, pharmaceutical companies, clinical trial organizations for the identify the name of the drugs in present in a spontaneous reporting. In WHO drug dictionary to use for the classification of the drugs. Then we discuss about the WHO ART. WHO ART is the same as a dictionary or same as a WHO dictionary, but WHO ARTS It's a dictionary for use for the symbols for easy detection of adverse events or write the adverse events. It WHO Arts created by the Food FDA, Food and Drug Administration, United States of Food and Drug Administrations. WHO Arts is replaced by the MEDRA. Then we are discuss about the COARTS. COARTS is a dictionary. It is created by the WHO program service organizations. It's maintained or managed by the Uppsala monitoring centers. In WHO, in COARTS, it is used for the code of the rationals adverse events in spontaneous reporting. Too easy to identify the adverse event of spontaneous reporting. This is the all about the MEDRA, COARTS, WHO Arts. The MEDRA is the most of the use in the dictionary in ICS processings. MEDRA, MEDRA idea, fill or audit or new update input in a MEDRA in 2 times in years. The major major update in March in every years and minors updates in September in every years. In recent dictionary updated of MEDRA in 2020 2022. This dictionary are used in the ICSR's processings. MEDRA, COARTS, WHO Arts or WHO drug dictionaries are used for the regulatory authority, pharmaceutical companies, clinical trial organizations for to easy conduct the adverse events. This is the all about the MEDRA, WHO Arts, COARTS, and MEDRA is essential for the report writing of the adverse events. Also essential for the WHO Arts, COARTS. This is the all about the MEDRA or ICSR processing. Thank you.